Removing a system board assembly. Note: this video shows only the physical part replacements. Replacing a system board assembly requires further actions to be taken in the Think System Management Tools. Refer to the System Board Assembly Replacement section in the ThinkEdge SE455 V3 user guide for more information. Remove the following components in the order they are listed below. OCP module, top cover, if applicable the internal drive cage, all the PCIe assemblies, processor air baffle, intrusion switch, all the fan modules and fan cage, fan control board, if applicable the airflow sensor board, all the memory modules, firmware and ROT security module, if applicable the micro SD card, heatsink and processor. Disconnect all the cables from the system board. Pull the plunger up and then hold it and the handle to slide the system board slightly backward to disengage it from the chassis. Lift the left end of the system board to remove the system board from the chassis.